Okay, so here's my Paradar antenna that did have water in it, and Paradar came back to me within 3.5 hours, I think, of me sending an email at 8:30 at night. So just after midnight, I got an email that said they'd be in touch in the morning. We could talk about it, and he's checked into the design of it, and in fact, where the water got in up here, there are drain holes. These are drain holes, one each side. So it's important to allow those to work. So when I put it back together again, then I'm going to be putting tape basically from here down and nothing above, so that the drain holes have the opportunity actually to drain. While some water may get in there, it's unlikely to, it will always drain down the way. So when I put it back together again, I'll show you the finished result, and we'll do some measurements as well. Okay, so here we are. Let's measure the SWR, and now that it's dried out. I can live with that. Very good. Now let's do a sweep. But overall, it shows that the SWR is good now, with the feeder connected. Yeah, 1.09, 1.1, fantastic. Let's go and put it into some freer space and see where we go from there. So here we are up in the loft, and I've just attached a bobcat to the antenna cable as it comes in. And a couple of things that are, while we're talking about RF, one other thing you can do is move the power supply away from the hotspot, and also put some, these are really cheap and nasty switch mode power supplies. They can create a lot of RF noise, which is going to degrade your antenna performance, or your receiver performance rather. So putting a clip-on ferrite with multiple wraps of the cable through it will help alleviate that.